Hello everyone, welcome to Huawei Cloud South Africa Demo Center. Today, I will show you how to build SAP S4HANA and SAP HANA software stack on Huawei Cloud using enterprise management features like SAP Software Lifecycle Management, Cross AZ Disaster Recovery, Monitoring, and so on. Within this architecture design, you can see it's a cross-AZ deployment within one region. IT operation team will access SAP stack on Huawei Cloud using a Bastion host or a jump server with limited roles. Application team and end users will access SAP application on Huawei Cloud through application server. We will use Huawei Cloud Enterprise Management template to deploy this stack and set up backup disaster recovery environment based on current landscape. And you will see the monitoring dashboard for Enterprise IT team. First of all, let's navigate to Huawei Cloud Enterprise Management. It's on your right hand corner. Click Enterprise Project Management in the left navigator. Elapse Application Management and then Template Management, and you will see the predefined template and you can create your customized template using YAML. Press Applications and create a new application. Choose region and assign an application name. Select a template and click Next. Here, you need to fill all the mandatory blanks and choose required options like virtual network properties, login credentials, certified compute and storage flavors, operating system, backup storage, HANA, and S4HANA configurations. We need to find out the object storage service folder which contains SAP software installation media. Back to SAP Template Console, continue to input other blanks. Once we confirm, click Next for preview. Make sure everything we choose is correct and submit this template for building job. We can monitor the creation status. If creation is successful, we can try to access SAP database and application. Open JUMP server and evaluate the status. Here, we are checking SAP HANA status. We have created 2 HANA servers using Huawei Cloud Template. Let's see the second HANA server status. Open HANA Studio to remote access HANA database using a pre-configured connection string. We are trying to connect to HANA server. You can see HANA in running status. Now, let's check S4 HANA status. You can see both the main processes are running. Let's try to log in into SAP Application Console to double check the status. You can see SAP S4 HANA application is running and it's connected to HANA. Now let's configure HANA database and log backup. Open HANA Studio console again to configure backup destination by system user. Let's check the backup folder after initializing the backup. After configuring auto backup job on HANA Studio, you will find out the backup landing space on HANA Server operating system. And that backup files will be remotely delivered into Huawei Cloud Object Storage Service for archiving, and after finishing this procedure, the local backup folder will move all the current backup files into local archive folder for recent archive. Let's move to Huawei Cloud Object Storage to check the archive backups. Now you see the log backups generated every 15 minutes. So that's all for HANA backup mechanism on Huawei Cloud. Let's take a snapshot of S4 HANA server using Huawei Cloud Backup and Recovery Service CBR. First of all, we need to create a backup vault which can contain the server snapshots. Add S4 HANA server into backup jobs. You can also define backup policy. Let's create a new policy. Bind this backup vault to a new backup policy and perform a backup job. Now, you see the manual backup job is running. After the backup is successful, we can simulate a human error and deliver in-place restore from this backup set. After that, you can see we recover a new SAP S/4HANA server. Now, let's configure Huawei Cloud Cross AZ Disaster Recovery Service for S/4HANA server. You can see the pre-configured Storage Disaster Recovery Service SDRS instance and the protected instance are in replication status. Let's simulate a manual failover. Assume an issue in production site AZ1 and we need to make AZ2 as production. Failover will be in progress. When it's running, let's manually switch HANA server into AZ2 and check the HANA system replication status. Let's run HANA system replication command to switch over AZ1 to AZ2. It'll take some time. Once done, let's check the HANA status. You can see it's already running in AZ2. Now, S4HANA is finishing the failover job and the production site is AZ2, where at the same time, delivery replication from AZ2 to AZ1. You can also check the status using command line. Confirm using SAP application logon as well. Now you can see it's really running well. Let's re-establish SAP HANA replication from AZ2 to AZ1. Check SAP HANA system replication status. Make sure that the replication from AZ2 to AZ1 is running well. Log on to HANA Studio to double check system replication status. Secure exit. Let's move back up to enterprise management again to deliver enterprise monitoring. You can see all the SAP servers are under monitoring, and you can create monitoring dashboard over there. Enabling full screen dashboard. Just a moment. You can see the real-time monitoring data. Let's recap. Huawei Cloud Enterprise Management is one-stop infrastructure automation tool which can help you easily build your application. Huawei Cloud Backup and DR capability can help you protect your mission-critical workloads. Huawei Cloud is a certified infrastructure as a service vendor by SAP Full Stack. You can also deploy any workload into Huawei Cloud like Oracle Full Stack, VMware, etc. For other features and introductions, please look out for more videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Cheers.